Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Zapply subscription. So basically this is the brand. I want to show you the brand like you can see over here. This is the brand. Okay, they have a testosterone product, testosterone booster product, and if you have purchased this product and by mistake if you have taken any subscription, then how you can cancel it. Okay, so before cancellation I want to tell you something. You can see over here maybe they have 3 months, 6 months or 12-month minimum subscription, you can like models. Okay, but there is no confirmation right now. When we making a research we did not find any kind of contract. Okay, but maybe if they have any minimum time period, and if you want to cancel your subscription before time period, you need to pay some kind of cancellation fee. Be ready for this. Okay, and make sure cancel your subscription before your next schedule of shipment to avoid further charges. Okay, now if we talk about how you can cancel, basically they have two websites. The first website is for NL, for New Zealand maybe, and this is for United Kingdom, tryzapply.com. so in that case what you have to do, you need to visit on this website https://zapply.nl, and once you visit on this website, there is a page at very bottom side, manage subscription button. Okay, you need to tap on this button and it will redirect you on this window. In this window you need to provide your email address, and once you enter your email address they will provide you a link, and you need to log in into your account by using link, and you can cancel your subscription if you are not a technical person. Okay, and if you don't know how to do this task, and if you're not a so technical person, so how you can cancel this thing? So basically there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription. The method is very easy. You need to compose an email. In the email you need to ask, you can say like you need to write in the subject box that you want to cancel your subscription with Zapply, and in the body you need to enter your account name, your subscription starting date, end date, and your information related to subscription by which they can verify you. And you need to provide like your reason why you want to cancel, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once you've done the format, you need to send this email at their email address, that is info@zapply.nl. okay, and once they receive your email they will reply you and they will provide you a proof of cancellation if your subscription is cancelled. If you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is active, and keep in touch with your customer support team regarding cancellation proof. And once you get proof, it means your subscription is cancelled, and they are not going to charge anymore on your account. Okay, so this is the procedure. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.